Is this 120?
Oh yeah.
It better be.
These are magnetic goggles. They're Outdoor Masters, my goggle sponsor. Most people already know that. However, these are not my goggles. These are one of your guys' goggles. I'm giving these away. Make sure you hit the link in the description. Enter the goggle giveaway because I don't want these. I already have goggles. We're at Breck with Tomie. It's gonna be another sick day. We don't have a ton of time with Tomie today. However, I get to be out here all day. My brother and sister are coming out and we're gonna shred with them. But we gotta go hard with Tomie first. So let's jump into it.
So Johnathan was a little scared to do that front three, but like he did it like a boss. I'm actually super hyped. He made it look so good. So props to Johnathan, dude, you're killing it.
Alright guys, so something I learned from last year, because remember I wrecked myself on a jump, almost broke my back. So I did a front three, which is a trick that I got, still kind of whatever. First front three of the season, basically. It landed it, and when I was going into those other jumps, I could have maybe done something other than straight airing. But instead of like pushing it and going extra hard and trying to look cool, I was like, you know what? I'm a straight air, I'm gonna survive this run. I killed it. I already landed a front three. So play it safe. Don't just like try and over. If you're feeling sketchy, bail. So me and Tomie think we should give you guys something fun to do this week. What are we gonna go?
Oh God,
this isn't a challenge, this is just something fun. Oh. I'm thinking maybe.
Dude, butter's pop.
Okay, I got a butter.
You got a butter?
Next time you go snowboarding, try to nose press to tail press. One into the other. Should look like this. Alright guys, so when you land that, if you got someone to film it, tag me on Instagram. I want to see you do it. Tommy's on a pretty stiff board. We'll see if he can pull it off.
So Johnathan loves to choose tricks I'm bad at. That's why I love him.
Hey, likewise.
There's actually a little secret. I wait for you to hit a jump, and then whatever you do, I try to show you up.
Yeah! Yeah! Always gotta show me up, huh? You fell off inches from a perfect run. Scary.
Fresh grim sketchy death.
Oh, that didn't hurt yet. But I totes hit my face on the ground. I might get a black eye.
Oh my God.
Right here.
Oh no. Once again, you're cooking.
Tommy's taught me how to catch my edge really good. That's I never caught my edge so much in a season in my entire life.
This is exactly what I'm teaching him not to do, but that's the only thing he's doing.
I'm just so used to going fast. Oh, I'm gonna get a black eye, 100%. There's no way.
Let's see it. Oh yeah, you're done.
I'm
you're
toast.
Done. You're done. Is this 120?
Oh yeah.
It better be. You good?
I'm good. Yeah. Like I think I'm good. The end of Tommy. Dude, what a sick day. Thanks for helping film.
Dude.
Guys, Tommy has a YouTube channel and he's about to post a beginner tips video that's actually gonna help a lot of not beginners. Because I learned some stuff. That's dropping.
So I'm gonna drop that on Friday at 4:30. So that's when I drop all my stuff. And it's a beginner's video, but I'm gonna talk about what no one else is talking about. A little bit of my little secrets I can give to you. And I also gave to Jonathan.
Yeah, so his information is in the description. Follow his Instagram. If you want to get better at park and work with Tommy, he has an online course. That thing is sick. I took it myself and it's helping me. So hit the link in the description. And Tommy's a boss. Woo! And you could be a snowboard boss too.
Boom, let's get it.
All right, guys. So this is some insane timing because not only is Tommy leaving, but my family, who I'm supposed to snowboard the rest of the day with, is right here. It's my family. All right, guys. So this is my brother Tyler. He's my older brother. This is my sister Sarah. She's my younger sister. You've probably seen him throughout the years if you've been following, but if you're new to the channel, this is my family. This is my brother's girlfriend Mac, sister's fiance Trevor, and we're gonna have a sick day for the rest of the day because we've already had a sick day. So let's get it. By the way, guys, we are going to helmet mount now that Tommy's gone when we ride the park. Whoa, we sent that. All right, so my sister has a fiance, it's Trevor, And I literally just taught him how to do toe side turns, and the dude is crushing it. Look at this. Alright guys, this one's Chipmunk. Let's kill it. See ya.
See you later, dude.
Thanks, Bobby. We'll get you up.
AJ absolutely started to crush it.
Thanks, man.
Alright guys, what a sick day. Kind of a long day. Was out there getting it for a decent amount of time. Super fun riding, taking some laps with my family. I know it got a little, wasn't as clean as when I ride with the boy Tommy. But man, that was super sick. We did some head cam. Got to send the jump some more. I took that half cab to the ground. That was huge. Turned into cab 3 actually. Either way, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel if you're new, because we want to help you become the best snowboarder possible. And make sure you guys do tag me on that nose press to tail press. I want to see if you guys can actually do it. And it's really fun, and it's just a simple trick that will take your riding to another level. With that being said, if you want to snowboard with me, we're doing a group shred November 23rd. That's Saturday at Keystone. If you want to be a part of that, check out the Patreon page, join the group shred tier, and I'll give you all of the information on that group shred. And I'd love to snowboard with you guys. So if you want to be a part, check out the group shred. Other than that, green Evolution stickers are back on the Evolution store, so snag any of that if you want, as well as Evolution t-shirts, hoodies, all of that, guys. I rock it every single day. It's the warmest merch in the game. And with that, Team Huckhouse, thank you for shredding with me today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no. Cliffhanger, yes, I so do. Banger, I'm the new Mick Jagger, I'm the new.
What's up, guys? Welcome to this week's Snowboard 101 course. We got 2 snowboard tips for you.